Hi, I'm Dana, and today I filmed another video using my lovely Orion Micro Welder. I hope you'll enjoy it. Feel free to ask me any questions and I'll do my best to answer. I want to show you how to weld this removable waist chain using the Orion Micro Welder. My daughter wanted a belly chain that is sterling silver and removable so that she can clean it. Unlike gold filled, it does tarnish. So I also had to customize it because of the length, and so I am now going to weld it because I want to keep it thin. Make sure that two sides are touching. You can see that. So the clasp is soldered, or maybe it isn't soldered. So what I'm going to do is take the ground, like this. So I'm going to use 5 watts. Let's see if that worked. And it did. Okay, so as per usual, I'll show you what I do. Because of the fire scale, here, just around, I don't know if you can see it. This fire scale, I use an eraser to rub it off. So, let's see if you can see it. Now I also noticed that this is open. And the thing with body chain is that there's a lot of action on it, movement. So you do want it to be soldered, unlike a necklace. So I'm gonna see if you can, again. Okay, I'm gonna try to see about that. So I didn't do it hard enough. And also, if it is the case that it's a thicker jump ring, you can do it for 7.5. So, okay. Let's see if you can see that. And it has worked. Yes. Okay, so again, now the thing with why this welder is fantastic for this is if you overheat, sometimes the spring, if you were overheating like you would for soldering, it overheats and the spring mechanism sometimes breaks down, melts, gets out of shape, and it's really difficult to fix. Or it's probably impossible. Really, you need another clasp. So, used it. You can shave off your eraser to a point to get at the crevices, but that's good. And I'm going to do a ring on the other side. Okay, so this ring is too thick. And what you can do is when it's an oval, you can ream it So I use the needle to ream it. And I wanted something that looks similar to the size of it, and it's easy for you to clasp. So I'm not sure you can see this. There we go. So there's fire scale again. You can pickle if you want, and with silver you can actually brush it down. So now this is very strong. I wholesale this and many other fine chains perfect for micro welding. As well, I'm going to put a link below to give you more information about the micro welder.